The transformation of Monkey Mountain is rapidly unfolding with the millions of dollars government has invested to create employment and improve the economy. Minister of Amerindian Affairs, Pauline Sukai, recently commissioned $18.5 million in projects. Key is a block-making facility tailored to provide young Amerindians with a stream of income. An art and craft center has also been commissioned to hone the skills of the local creatives. The village sports ground has also been upgraded to promote youth engagement and sport development.
The People's Progressive Party civic government has invested $89.1 million into Monkey. This is from the Ministry of Amerindian Ministry. Monkey Mountain has not been left behind. And it is expected that all the investments that are being made by us or our government should benefit the people.